Okay, y'all, so this is the pineapple. This is a huge glass, so all I need is just that much. Hey y'all! I feel like I haven't done a haul in forever. Okay, y'all, this is the fifth look, last and final. Last but not least, this is the last look of the house. Hey y'all! Oh my goodness, we're one subscriber away from 1K. I know we're gonna hit 1K today. Hey y'all! Oh my god! I'm so happy! Oh my goodness, y'all. Tears of joy. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful for y'all. Thank y'all so much. We reached 1K, 1,000 subscribers. Yay! I wish I had confetti and all that. Hey y'all. Yes, I'm back with another haul. And I'm trying a company that I never tried before. Yes, I'm trying Savage X Fenty by Rihanna, however you want to pronounce her name. Hey y'all. Oh, I'm so happy. My first pool day. Hey y'all! Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to be doing a collab with a company that I've done a collab twice with. So this will be my third time doing a collab with them. The first one was the reusable pads, and then I did the digital journal. So this is no other than Hi O. Can y'all see? Y'all remember them? So anywho, they just launched their boob tape. So they asked me to do a collab to review their boob tape. Now these are double D's / triple D's. I've never used boob tape a day in my life. Always just used a strapless bra. Always wanted to try boob tape. So this is the, let me get it right. It's the Hi O breast lift tape. Adhesive push up. One roll is 4 inches and 4 inches wide. And it goes from an A to a G, quadruple D's. And it comes with 2 pairs of nipple covers because you got to cover your nipples. You do not want this tape on your boobs without covering your nipples. Yeah, 2 pairs of nipple covers. So I hate that I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to have to use these. Well, I guess I wonder if I can reuse them. We'll see. So this is how it looks. This is the boob tape. And of course, I got a coupon code for y'all. Y'all get 10% off if y'all use my code. I'm gonna have it somewhere over here, somewhere over here. Tasha B, TASHIA, the letter B, 10. Tasha B 10 is gonna be over here, over there, and I'll have it up there so y'all can see. And on the boob tape right now is on sale for $39.99. Use my code with 10% off. It'll go down to $35.99. So check it out. Let them know Tosh sent y'all. Love being Tosh. Tasha. They know who I am. So, let's see. I did look at some videos to see how to apply it. I have my scissors and everything ready to cut. Yeah, so I'm excited. So, it says, yep, already watched the video. I did that already. And I love that it's 2 sisters. I gave a whole spill the first time I did a collab with them. I will always do a collab with them. The 10% off. Okay. All right. So, already read everything. Did the video. I think I got it. So, this is the nipple covers. I believe it's 2. Yeah, it's 2 in each one. So, I'll be back. I think I'm gonna cut it and everything, and I'll be okay, y'all. I think I mentioned, but I don't have a bra or anything right now. Boobs don't look that bad, and it's only because this does lift and draw, and my boobs aren't that bad. They don't sag that bad, but I don't go out without a bra unless it's a built-in bra or a strapless bra. I don't wear, like, some girls can go with a t-shirt with no bra. Yeah, that's not me. So I don't have any bra on right now. Nothing. So this is the measurements that tell you where to cut. Oh, can y'all see? There you go. It shows you where to cut. So the best way, I was told, to bend over and lift your boob up like that and tape it this way. And say or you can go like this. Say if you have a tube top dress on or top, you're going to lift and go under like this. Lift and have it like that. So we're about to see. I'm going to have to measure it off camera, of course. And I think I want to put mine like right here. And get the nipple covers, of course. That'll be your first thing. Put the nipple covers right there, of course. All right, I'll be back. Okay, y'all. This is how the nipple covers look. Okay. So, you take this strip off here. Well, I hope my hand's not ashy. And this is the sticky part. I don't think I want to take the sticky part off because I don't want to waste it. I'm not going anywhere. And I have a couple things coming up that I can use this for. So I'm going to just put it here. I'm going to hold it with my dress. You can see them. They right there. That way I can see where it's at. And then I'm actually going to I'm going to have to take the adhesive off for the boob tape, but I don't want to waste my nipple covers. You know what? They probably going to get messed up anyway with the boob tape, but I'm going to figure it out. So I got that covered. Well, I hope y'all couldn't see anything beforehand. Okay, so I'm going to measure. I'm going to cut it like right about there. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I cut it. So I cut 1, 2, 3, 4. Since they said 4 inches wide, I just cut 4. And I think I'm only going to do one boob so y'all can see the difference. So I'm going to do this one. I'm going to do it off camera. I don't want no accidents, so I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. You can definitely see the difference, trial and error. So I had to cut another piece because I cut it too small. So first I cut 4. Where did I put the other piece at? Oh, here it is. The second one, I cut 5. But I wanted it short so it can cover, but I'm about to show y'all something. So don't mind this because it's not going to show, but I needed a longer strip because I got big tatas, but I love it. And I end up taking the adhesive off, the little strip off for the adhesive for the nipple cover. And the nipple cover sticks really well. That way I can see if it actually sticks, so it sticks really well. And as y'all can see, it's holding. Ooh, I'm shaking my jewelry. It's holding. It's not moving. And this one is like here. This one is up here. Y'all see the difference. But, of course, when you wear a dress or a two-top, you're not going to want this to show. So you want to cut it at least like right here. But the thing is, I took this off too. I was just making a mess. So this one, it doesn't have any stickiness to it because I was messing up. No fault of Hi-Yo. That was my fault. So trial and error is my first time. I knew I wasn't going, well, I thought, because I'm a professional, a seasoned professional. In my Beyonce voice, I thought that I was going to get it off with without no complications. But as y'all can see, trial and error. But now I know. But I'm mad that I messed that one up. So it's sticking. Well, as y'all can see, it's sticking. So be careful. And I should come back and like one day when I'm going out and see how long it lasts and see how it does with the skin afterwards. But I do want y'all to see how it looks down. It doesn't really hurt. So if you want it, of course you're going to want it to cover. You want to put it down some and like put it on the side so you don't see that sticky part. But that was my fault. I cut too much. But y'all can see it give a little oomph like I got a bra on. And this works good. I always want to try boob tape because as y'all know, my stories with the strapless bras, leaving marks, indentations, and all kinds of stuff on your back, and sometimes it's uncomfortable. So go with boob tape. Okay, hi y'all. Look at that. I got this whole roll, so I still have a lot left. So you could just keep on using it, and it comes with 2 pairs of nipple covers, so it's 2 in 1. It's 2 in here. So y'all try out Hi-Yo. Get y'all some boob tape. Check out all their other products. The coupon code does not expire, y'all. It does not expire. 10% off. Share it to your friends. Yeah. Give them a try. Let them know Tasha sent y'all. Love being Taj. Thank you so much once again, Hi-Yo. Hi-Yo, thank you so much once again for sending me this boob tape. I love it. So it's like up and this one down. So let's see if this one was like up here. See, and y'all can see that this one, how flat it is. Well, I don't even want to, I'm not trying to talk about my boobs, but this part is flat. And you see how this one gave a little oomph because the boob tape gave it some lift. So And then you can put it up even higher. Say if you had like a cami on, you can have it higher up for girls that got way bigger boobs than mine. And I know a lot of people that do. You can put it higher than that. Oh, it's just lifting it. And it starts, I got it under here. Started from under here and I bent down like this and lift it up. But you can just try different ways. Always watch their video first. You can watch their video and they'll show you exactly how to put it on. But I love it. I can't get over it. And this part only not sticking because I took it down, but it was sticking really well. So, yeah. So I would just leave it like that and tuck it in. And there you go. Can y'all let me know if y'all can tell the difference? Because I definitely can. I can feel the difference. This one got this strap. I really don't like halters because I got big boobs and it cuts my neck. So this one that's hanging got the strap cutting my neck. This one is giving me some relief because it's up. If y'all feel, I mean, the girls that know with the big boobs, us big busty girls, y'all know. But anywho, once again, thank you, Hi-O, for sponsoring this video. Thanks for sending me the boob tape. I will collab with y'all whenever y'all want me to collab. I just love y'all. This is my third collab with them with different items. So yeah, I think that's so cool when you can just collab with a company again. So they must like what I did the first time and the second time. 3 times the charm. So if y'all like this video, please like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see that Hi-O sent your girl some boob tape. Leave me a comment. Let me know how y'all like this video. Until next time, love you guys, y'all. Buy my fashion dolls and guys. Bye, y'all. Don't forget to use the coupon code. I'm going to have the link, all their information in the description box. So y'all can just click on the link, get the code, and it's going to take it right off. 10% off. You can't beat it. And y'all see the difference. And of course, all this won't be showing. Y'all know. I did my best. And yeah. All right, y'all. Bye. Y'all, I got to come back because I just went to my mom. I was like, can you tell which boob had boob tape and which one doesn't? And she was like, that one got the boob tape. I'm like, see? And she was like, well, how does it work? Let me see how it works. Now my mom want to use it. So shout out to Hi-O. Once again, Hi-O. Last time, just took it off and it does not hurt. Took it off, a little pinching a little bit, but not how I've seen some people take off boob tape and they get rashes, and I've heard some horror stories, but And also, they're on Amazon as well. So y'all will see everything in the description. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but y'all will see all the details in the description box. All right, y'all. Hey, y'all. Give it a twirl, give it a twirl, give it a twirl, give it a twirl. Because it's too stinking cute, and it's too stinking cute, and it's too stinking cute, because it's too stinking cute. Ciao.